Kim Jong Un inspected a major TEL or transporter erector launcher production factory, bringing about a great upsurge in production every day, while remarkably raising the mental strength and patriotic enthusiasm of its employees, true to the idea of the December 2023 plenary meeting of the Party Central Committee. The respected Comrade Kim Jong Un was accompanied by his respected daughter. He was also accompanied by Jo Chun Ryong, Yong Won, Il Hwan, Kim Jong, and other senior officials of the Party Central Committee and leading officials of the General Missile Bureau. Looking at the larger TELs and various kinds of TELs produced by the factory, he learned about the production in detail. After acquainting himself with the factory's implementation of production plan last year, he highly appreciated the officials and workers of the factory for vigorously striving to attain a new production goal in the new year after over-fulfilling the TEL production goal set by the Party Central Committee through a dynamic drive for increased production and creation to glorify 2023 as a year of great changes in bolstering up the national defense capabilities.